Have you ever stopped to wonder how your computer knows where your files are, how it stores them, organizes them, and finds them instantly? Well, it's all thanks to something called the file system. Let's dive in and discover what makes it the invisible hero of your digital world. A file system is the method your operating system uses to organize, store, and retrieve data on your storage device. It breaks everything into manageable chunks, blocks, clusters, and metadata to keep your files safe, fast, and accessible. Over the decades, file systems have evolved, from the simple FAT of floppy disks to today's high-performance systems like NTFS, APFS, and extension4. Each system was built to meet the needs of the devices and users of its time. FAT32 was once the go-to format for flash drives and memory cards. It's simple and highly compatible, working across Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and even cameras. But there's a catch. It can't handle files larger than 4 gigabytes. To solve FAT32 size limitations, we got exFAT. It allows massive files, making it perfect for USB drives, SD cards, and devices like video recorders. It's widely supported and doesn't need the complexity of more advanced systems. NTFS is Windows' default file system, and for good reason. It supports file permissions, encryption, compression, and journaling. It's robust, secure, and ideal for internal drives, especially in business environments. Mac users have their own systems. HFS Plus was Apple's old favorite, but today it's all about APFS. Fast, secure, and optimized for SSDs, with features like snapshots and crash protection. In the Linux world, EXT3 and EXT4 reign supreme. They're stable, reliable, and built for power users, supporting journaling, large volumes, and efficient file access. Behind every file is a complex system of blocks and metadata. When you save a file, it's broken into pieces, stored across your drive, and tracked by metadata so it can be reassembled instantly when needed. But as files are added, deleted, and modified, they can get fragmented, scattered across your disk, slowing things down. Some file systems, like NTFS, handle this with built-in tools like defragmenters. Modern file systems use journaling, which keeps a log of changes before they're made. If your computer crashes mid-operation, the journal helps restore your data and avoid corruption. File systems also manage access. They control who can read, write, or execute a file, keeping your personal data secure from unwanted changes. So, which file system should you choose? It depends on your needs, speed, compatibility, security, or file size. Let's compare the top systems side by side. Here are some real-world scenarios. Need a USB that works everywhere? Go with exFAT. Backing up your Windows PC? Use NTFS. Running Linux and Windows together? You'll need EXT4 for Linux and NTFS for sharing with Windows. From storing your baby photos to powering massive databases, file systems are the silent organizers behind it all. They structure, protect, and speed up your digital life without you even noticing. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a like, hit that subscribe button, and share this video with your fellow techies. And drop a comment. What file system do you use and why?